Bonjour Year 5, comment ça va? Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 7 mars 2022. Lundi, le 7 mars 2022. Écrivez la date dans le cahier. Can you write the date in your notebook? And then write the title, Mon pays, les fêtes. Ça veut dire quoi? Mon pays. What does that mean? My country, les fêtes, the festivals. So today we are going to be working on festivals that we celebrate in our country. First of all, we will be looking at the festivals in France. Pour commencer, you're going to answer these in English. Which festival do you like the most and why? Which festival do you like the most and why? Answer to this question in English in your notebook. Once that is done, we will move on to our next task. Let's look at our learning objective. Can I express the festivals that I celebrate in my country? Our student outcome is I can memorize and identify new vocabulary. I can make simple sentences. I can make complex sentences using keywords and connectors for help. In our today's lesson, we're working on realizing HPL idea, speed and accuracy. Let's see if we have the ability to work at speed and with accuracy. Our topic, les fêtes en France, festivals in France. Let's have a look at them. Les fêtes en France. Le jour de l'an, Pâques, la fête du travail, la fête nationale, Toussaint, Noël, Mardi Gras, la fête des pères, la fête des mères, la Saint-Valentin, la fête de la musique. So first few festivals are the festivals that's celebrated all around the world, and they are the main festivals. And the last few ones from Father's Day, Mother's Day, Mardi Gras, Saint-Valentin, and La Fête de la Musique, all these are very minor festivals that's celebrated in France and around the world. Especially La Fête de la Musique at the end, it's celebrated in France. It's the festival of music. So people take this opportunity to, have concerts, they try to play musical instruments and showcase their talents in music. So here, La Fête du Travail, the third one, which says May Day, it means the Workers' Day. That day, they celebrate in remembrance of the workers. So the workers are given holiday on that day, so it's a holiday throughout that day. So people can celebrate their hard work and everything on that day. All right, La Fête Nationale, it says Bastille Day, which means it's the national day, like how the national day in UAE is December 2nd. The national day in France is July 14th, le 14 juillet. That's also called le 14 juillet. Okay, so the other festivals, I'm sure you all know it. Toussaint, if you do not know, it means All Saints Day. So that's when you go to see the tomb or the place where your family members or someone that you remember after their death, they buried, and then you go keep flowers and you remember them. So that's All Saints Day, Toussaint. Okay, the other festivals, I'm sure you all know it. You all understand the other festivals. All right, because its meaning is given in English over there. I don't have to translate it all for you. Okay, so let's see how we can make some sentences. But before that, so for example, if the country that we live in here, it's UAE, and then we celebrate different festivals like Ramadan, Eid, and all of that. So you could just write the same spelling, Ramadan, because that's how we call it in French as well. Eid, again, you can have the same spelling while you want to write the festivals that you celebrate. Okay, so we move on to how to explore. Okay, so here we are exploring to create sentences about festivals in French. So you're going to start a sentence like this. Dans mon pays, which is you all know, in my country, on fête. On fête is we celebrate. On ne fête pas is we do not celebrate. Okay, so here you can write the festivals that you celebrate and the festivals that you do not celebrate. You could write there. And then you can also, after writing two sentences with them, you could also challenge yourself. You know, if you're a risk taker, you can try to use the keywords that's given here for challenge and some connectors over there to make your sentence. You could say, I like to celebrate, and then you can say, I love to celebrate, or I celebrate, you know, and then you write a festival, and then you say, I celebrate this festival because it's fun, it's interesting, or I celebrate this festival because I celebrate this festival with my family. You know, I like to celebrate this festival because I like to celebrate this with my family. So all these keywords are given in here, okay, in small boxes here. So use those words to make in your creative sentences, all right? The first main thing is you need to write dans mon pays, en fait, on ne fait pas. So these are main sentences that we expect you to write. And after which, you're going to try to use these keywords and connectors to make your own sentences, all right? Okay, so there you go. This is the end of the lesson. All right, complete your sentences and show those sentences to your teacher, or if your teacher isn't there, you show the sentences to your teacher when he or she gets back to your class, and then you will get some nice HBL stickers for the lovely work that you've done. Okay, au revoir.